My rooster here told me he wants to show you folks where roosters belong. Good boy. They do. They taught me how to do it. I raise the world's best chicken, Fayo, Fayo giant. The birds belong in the forest, okay? Did you hear me say, Tell the people go, Flea. Yes. I'm going to show you over here. The ground, you can't tell. But the Fayo giant dominates any pack you put it in because all the chickens know it's the best bird. Here, leaf mulch. They're not trying to scratch dirt and grass in your full sun. They got a quartet.